Hi, welcome back. I am Matija from DMA. Today I'm going to show you morning routine practice that you can use and play every day. I know all of us have a very busy schedule, you don't have time to practice daily very much, so that's why I created this little program. It's about 10 to 15 minutes long, and it's a great thing when you don't have time to practice all day, well, to practice how you want it. This is a great thing to stay in shape. Always remember, the musicians are like a professional athletes. You need to practice every day, and if you don't have that much time, use this my method. I'm going to show you how to do it, and your skill not going to drop. Maybe you're going to be even better and better every day when you don't have time and want to practice quick. So, if you're ready, let's play. This practice routine is made of 3 parts. The first part is part when we warm up our fingers and do some practicing. Then the second part is playing some of chords. And then the final part is doing a little improvisation. Even if you don't know anything about improvisation and stuff like that, this is going to help you and you're going to understand what to do. So, the first thing, playing the scale. We're going to play C major. It's very important to you warm up your fingers and make them faster and moving every day, because they need to stay in shape even if you don't practice very long. So the first thing we're going to do is to do a 5-finger stuff. So you start with the C and play every finger and back. Okay, so again. And then we don't do like this and then stop. We do it without stopping. So when you do it 5 times, just move to note D, the second one, and then go again. 5 times, of course. And then just go up and up and up. It doesn't matter how it sounds. For example, this will sound bad. This will sound good. This will sound good. This won't sound good. It doesn't matter. The most important thing here is to go with your fingers. When you go full octave, that's it, when you finish this part of lesson. The next part of this routine or practicing method is to play chords. And what kind of chords? I think it's the best if you play some song that you like. You go to some site, there is thousands of sites online when you can find chords for your favorite songs. And then just about pick one song. For example, I'm going to play No Woman No Cry from Bob Marley. I like that song. So this is song go, we have C major, and then we have G major, and then we have A minor, and in the end we have F major. So we start with the C major, and G, and A, F major, and then C, and then F major, G major, C major. What is important here, if you learn a song, one song a week that you like, for 1 year, you're going to know even 50 songs or more than 50 songs. But what's the point? When you have 50 songs in your store, a lot of songs have just very similar chord progressions. Even some of them have the same chord progression. So if you do like this 1 week a song, this you're going to play with this thing that songs have the same patterns. You're going to know more than 100 songs in a year, and that's mean if you want you can start playing gigs and stuff like that. So do a song you like. Don't have to practice too much. I just use Bob Marley. You can do whatever song you want and play that chords, play that song. You're going to enjoy it, your practice, and you're going to learn some of your favorite songs, and your skill going to progress. So that's a great thing. The final thing for today is to do a little improvisation in this practice routine. So what I'm going to do, if you'd never in your life do improvisation, just do like this. We're going to use C major again, and in left hand you're just going to do this. So C, G, C, G, and in right hand you can use any key from C to C, any white key. Let me show you. Any key. So just do stuff like that. You can do E minor, the same thing, just start from A. Any chords like that you can do a little improvisation. That's going to help you. You will find your rhythms, and if you daily do this stuff, you're going to develop your own playing style, which is great, and I think your playing style is going to be very nice, and I'm looking forward to hear your playing style. This was everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you had fun. I surely did. So until next time, see you and stay tuned.